In the tapestry of life, we are faced with countless decisions and choices, each weaving a unique thread into the fabric of our existence. The journey towards authenticity beckons us to make conscious decisions and set meaningful life goals that align with our true selves. This profound quest unveils the timeless wisdom of self-discovery, empowering us to transcend societal expectations and embrace the essence of who we are. Conscious decisions are the cornerstone of a purposeful life. To make decisions consciously, we must first develop self-awareness, the art of observing our thoughts, emotions, and actions without judgment. By pausing and reflecting before taking action, we access the space of clarity, enabling us to choose in alignment with our authentic essence. The modern world bombards us with constant distractions, clouding our judgment and influencing our decisions. From social media to peer pressure, external forces often lead us astray from our true path. However, through mindfulness and introspection, we can cultivate a reservoir of inner wisdom, allowing us to discern the best course of action for our individual growth and fulfillment. The pursuit of authenticity begins with an exploration of our inner landscape. Delving deep into the core of our being, we unearth our values, passions, and purpose. This introspective journey requires vulnerability and courage, as we confront the layers of conditioning that have shaped us throughout our lives. Unraveling societal expectations and shedding the masks we wear to please others, we step into our true selves. As we embrace our authentic essence, we liberate ourselves from the burden of conformity and embrace the freedom of self-expression. Aligning with our authentic selves brings profound contentment and inner harmony, guiding us towards conscious decisions that resonate with our deepest desires. Once we anchor ourselves in authenticity, the process of setting meaningful life goals unfolds with newfound clarity. The conventional notion of success may lose its grip as we redefine our aspirations based on our inner calling rather than external validation. Our goals become an extension of our authentic selves, reflecting our true passions and purpose. While material achievements have their place, we recognize that true fulfillment emerges from a balanced life encompassing emotional, mental, physical, and spiritual well-being. Embracing this perspective allows us to set goals that nurture all dimensions of our being, fostering a sense of wholeness and purpose in our journey. Cultivating self-compassion and replacing self-criticism with self-empowerment, we embark on a journey of resilience and self-discovery. Thus, our capacity for making conscious decisions expands, and our life goals become bolder, reflecting our untapped potential. Conscious decision-making is not about imposing rigid control upon our lives but about surrendering to the flow of existence. Just as a skilled sailor adjusts the sails to navigate changing winds, we embrace the ebb and flow of life's currents. Trusting our intuition, we open ourselves to unexpected opportunities that align with our authentic selves. Contemplating the path of life, and the formation of a person's character to achieve a chosen destination, is of profound importance. The dreams and aspirations that drive us forward warrant dedicated introspection, transcending the boundaries of time. But, as we embark on our ambitions, we must tread carefully, as some goals can prove to be seductive traps. To discern the true calling of your heart, step away from external influences that may sway your judgment. Find solace in solitude, away from the noise of social conventions, family expectations, and societal pressures. Consider retreating to a tranquil place, where you can introspect and meditate, attaining clarity and joy within yourself. It is in moments of genuine contentment and lucidity that our life's goals can be forged. So, avoid setting goals in moments of desperation, for they may serve you well in the present but entangle you in confusion tomorrow. And, tomorrow morning, maybe you don't know why you're involved in this. Seek goals that resonate deeply with your true self, for these will stand the test of time and enrich the essence of your being. Life's journey is not solely about the destination, it is a perpetual process of self-discovery and growth. As we embrace our inner wisdom, we let it guide us in selecting a path that aligns with our authentic essence. When embarking on the journey of shaping your life, the most opportune moment to do so is when you find yourself in a state of profound inner peace, happiness, and clarity. It is crucial not to be swayed by external influences, allowing your decisions to arise purely from within. Take a moment to sit down and reflect on what you genuinely aspire to become in life. Focus on what holds enduring value for you, not what others might expect. The notion of developing a personality may not be necessary. Instead, strive to embody your aspirations authentically. Understanding the essence of a personality sheds light on its origin, derived from the Greek and Latin word persona, meaning mask. In the ancient theaters, actors would use different masks to portray various characters, symbolizing the multifaceted nature of human existence. Imagine these masks clinging to your face, representing different roles you play in life. The desire to develop a concrete personality often stems from a disconnection with our true being. However, if you are in touch with the core of your being, the need for a fixed personality diminishes. So, embrace the idea that you can naturally adapt and express different facets of yourself in various situations. In truth, you already possess a diverse range of personalities, revealing themselves in different aspects of your life. Some individuals may exhibit a singular personality across all situations, while others fluidly embody distinct personas depending on the context. By fostering a deeper connection with your inner self and understanding the transient nature of personalities, you pave the way for a more enriched and authentic life journey. So, out of that deep connection, as life's journey unfolds, there will come a time when everything about you looks very different than it did before. But that connection needs to come from a conscious decision. This transformation extends to every facet of our being. The way we behave, communicate, dress, and even our food preferences undergo significant changes. This profound transformation is not without its challenges, but deep down, we know that it is essential to embrace the evolution and growth that life presents to us. And finally, we learn the value of authenticity and the courage needed to embrace change. This journey of self-discovery and personal evolution is an ongoing process, and as we continue to reflect on these experiences, we gain deeper insights into the nature of our identity and the power of transformation. We often adopt certain traits and behaviors, but we become so engrossed in them that we mistake them for our true selves. When we seek to develop our personality, we are essentially making it up, shaping it to suit our various roles and activities. While this is natural, the key lies in being able to set aside this constructed personality when necessary. If we become too attached to it, if it sticks to us like an unremovable mask, it can lead to suffering and distress. But, when we sit in meditation, we metaphorically strip ourselves down, shedding the layers of artificiality and pretense. In this state of pure awareness, we discover our true essence, unburdened by external influences. Unlike truth, which needs no support and stands firm on its own, anything made up requires constant maintenance. When something is undeniably true, it stands firm, unwavering in its existence. For example, consider telling a lie. Sustaining it demands continuous efforts to preserve the facade. In contrast, when we delve into meditation, we embrace our authentic self, devoid of the need for constant upkeep. Through meditation, we access our inner wisdom and clarity, transcending the confines of superficial identities. In this state, we discard the unnecessary embellishments that life often places upon us. In doing so, we cultivate a profound sense of self-awareness and freedom, unshackled from the burdens of falsehood and illusion. Within each of us lies an authentic existence, an undeniable truth that needs no maintenance. Our true selves are ever present, unyielding, and unchanging. The person we genuinely are is not a charade that requires constant preservation. Thus, the journey towards making conscious decisions and setting meaningful life goals is a sacred pilgrimage to the core of our being. As we embark on this expedition of self-discovery, we unlock the timeless wisdom that resides within. Embracing authenticity, mindfulness, and resilience, we navigate life's labyrinth with grace and purpose. So, remember, the journey begins within, and every step towards authenticity brings us closer to living a life of profound meaning and fulfillment. As you reach the end of this introspective journey, take a moment to breathe and reflect. You have embarked on a profound exploration of making conscious decisions and setting meaningful life goals that align with your authentic self. As you make conscious decisions, anchored in self-awareness, let go of the burden of conformity in societal expectations. Trust the compass of your heart to guide you towards the path that resonates with your true essence. Along this path, you may encounter obstacles and limiting beliefs. Embrace them as opportunities for growth and transformation. Celebrate each step of progress and cherish the lessons learned from setbacks. As you set meaningful life goals, prioritize an approach that nurtures all aspects of your being. Embrace the interplay of material aspirations and spiritual growth, acknowledging that true fulfillment emerges from balance and harmony within. May this journey inspire you to listen to the whispers of your soul, guiding you towards decisions that honor your authentic self. So, dear friend, if this video resonated with you, I invite you to like and subscribe to our channel. Share this video with your loved ones who might benefit from this message. And don't forget to leave a comment below, sharing your thoughts and experiences. Thanks for watching and joining me. Take care and see you soon.